What's up, it's your girl Cleopatra, and this is the first weekly vlog. Try to commit because I really want to take YouTube seriously. And I want to stop saying it and actually do it and speak about it in the past tense, like I took YouTube seriously. That's why I'm here, you know, speaking things into existence and manifestation. So this is my commitment to all 30 something, I want to say 38 of my subscribers. Excuse me, I'm kind of like coming down with something and I'm on my cycle, so I'm like monsters this week. I'm really bitchy. The weather is playing games and it's just and I'm on my way to class, and I think I want to put some lashes. I mean, I always put lashes on, but I think I want to like glue them on individually, like cut up a strip right quick and put them on, so I don't have to worry about my lashes every day when I wake up. And I'm out of breath because I'm so congested and I can only take deep breaths because the short breaths, you know, like it just don't work for me. I'm just not feeling it. I'm so cracked up. Ugh. Aiden isn't here. Actually, he's been gone all weekend, which is like, it happens every once in a while. Like, a lot of people love to get him and take him places, but this time, I guess since I'm on my cycle, I've been missing him really bad. Like, I'm bored. Where's my son? He don't miss me. Like this video if you feel like that when your kids are gone. Okay, so my face is done. I just put on some lashes and yeah, I'm about to go. I gotta go get my screen fixed because it's horrible. Like right. Okay, so yeah, and then I have to go to class after that, and then I have another class after that until tonight. I don't even know if I'm gonna be. I want to put on my jean jacket, but I feel like it's really cold outside. Take no big ass coat to school. Not doing anything with this part situation. Okay, so this is obviously going to be harder than I thought, vlogging. That is because I just got my phone fixed. Woohoo! I just got my phone fixed. And I was in the mall for like a good 13 minutes, so I guess I should have vlogged that. Now I'm sorry y'all. Now I'm on my way to class for real. Boring. What if no, we're gonna have rest. But I know I'm gonna have so many papers to write after this class. I just know it. So I'm such a procrastinator. It's not even cute. It's not cute. Y'all hear that? That's my car. So yeah, that's another thing. I need to get that shit fixed because even though my car is an older model, it's a nice smooth car. Like, the engine is purr, like you don't even hear it. But I feel like where I live at, the streets are so raggedy that it messes up the bottom, like whatever holding the car together at the bottom, it starts shaking because the street's so bumpy. So I got to get that fixed, and I also want to get my brakes checked out. Other than that, I'm good. I gotta pay these tickets. I honestly, I don't even complain about the little stuff no more because I'm just appreciative that I have stuff to complain about and I have a job to fix it. You know what I'm saying? So even though I have stuff to do, I like doing that stuff because I am so appreciative. I'm so grateful, and I like handling my business. Like, I don't like getting tickets, but I like being able to pay for them, if that makes sense. You know what I'm saying? Like, so you just always got to remember to be grateful for whatever you have or don't have. You know, it's a reason why I'm still in school. It's a reason why I don't have the job that I want, or I'm not making money that I feel like I should be making. It's a reason why. So I'm not gonna sit up here and complain about it. I'm gonna work towards it, and I'm gonna wait my turn. Like, and a lot of people get waiting for your time to come up. Everybody got their own time. They confuse waiting your turn with, you know, you still, okay, the way what I'm trying to say is, you do have to wait your turn, but that means you have to put in the work. That's called, you don't wait and do nothing. While you waiting, you have to put in work. Then it pays off. That's all the same. Waiting for it to pay off and waiting your turn and all that other stuff is all the same thing. It's not just, you just do the bare minimum, work a regular job and go to school for fun just to wait until you come up. No, you have to, what you want to come up on, you have to work towards it every single day, and that's how you come up. You don't just sit up there and wait for God to say, okay, you've been waiting and bumming it out long enough, it's time for you to be rich. No, it doesn't work like that. I'm here at school, yay. So I guess I'll see you guys maybe after class or maybe tomorrow. I don't really do anything with my life, so